Hello everyone. In this video I am going to be showing you how to make another entity in the Doors game. So this entity is going to be similar to our Rush style one, but it's not going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to duplicate our Rush one and rename Return, because this is going to be an ambush style entity. So kill script, I'm going to make this 45 to 50, so it's a little wider range. And this image, I'm going to add, choose file, where is it? Doors tutorial and my return. Okay. Now we have our return. So now I'm going to put him back in monsters. Go to module, duplicate our runner script, and rename return, since it's going to be pretty similar. So I'm going to make this return. Don't need to create the path anymore. So I could probably also remove that here. So in our return, we're going to do for I equals 1, 2 or 3 do. Actually, let's do a random. So math.random 2, 4. Then we're going to copy this. Then we're going to paste this. What we're going to do is for I equals number rooms, 1, -1, do v equals, so local v equals rooms, and then I. So now let's see. We should be able to have it. Okay, so here we're going to do the entrance. Okay, so we're going to do that basically again. For I equals number of that, 1, -1, do twin entity. So, and then I. So in our runner script as well, we have another problem. So I'm going to make this VV and this VV as well, so that it doesn't think we're just going to go to the room. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, actually I think this will work. So let's see. Also, we need to look at our door. And our script. Where is it? Oh yeah, that's in the room. So if else if or hit dot parent dot name equals return them. Okay. So now we're also going to need to edit the module again. We're going to need to do... Huh. Well, let me see. So, how does it select to get the entity to spawn? Oh yeah, it's here. Doing anything else? If ID is greater than 7. This is gonna be, yeah. So this is gonna be 25, 30. This is gonna be, less than 60, and random. Would rather have than 30. Actually, let me see. So there's an else up here, which means we don't need this here. Okay. Now, there. Let's play and find out. Does it work? Our doors are still a little weird right now, so we'll figure that out soon. Yeah, there's no sprint right now. We'll do that in a bit. But yeah, our doors look kind of weird. So let's kind of fix that by going in, going to this room, getting the door, getting the main, I think. Yeah. Doing it like that. Actually, no. I'm gonna rotate it like this and rotate the entire door. Then I'm going to cut. So I'm gonna stop. Let's see. I'm going to paste into, and I'm going to rotate this. Yeah, I think I have to rotate it. Yeah. So, now, we put this door into our stuff and delete the other door. Now, if we play, our doors should be correctly faced. So, it's another turn room. It's turning that way, yeah. So, alright, come on. Okay. Okay. I fixed this. Now let's see if we can get ambush or return or whatever your entity's called. Okay. Oh, we're we're setting the position maybe. Not using pivot to for the door, I think. Oh yeah, that's either. Huh? Where's the, yeah. So, I'm gonna see which one of them is this. So you can come back. Oh, it was runner, okay. So, we can keep going until we get return. Will that be return? That's runner again. So let's keep going and see if we can get it again. Okay, yeah, the door does open at this, so that's nice. Okay, let's see if return will spawn. That's runner again. Okay. So this is not that interesting, but we do have a second entity, which we just have to wait for it to spawn. Another runner. Let me see. Yeah, I don't, maybe it's not possible for return to spawn. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so let's see if we can actually get return to show up. Actually, maybe I should make a testing file for. Yeah, so in our main, I'm going to do function runner. Return. 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 I'm going to do a coroutine.wrap to do runner. Okay. And then we're going to do return. Okay, save. Run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we need to replicate storage, testing spawn entity 2. So he should go that way and move back and forth a little. He should come back. Yes, he does. Nice. He should go, yeah, he goes back and forth. Good. We have a returner entity working. Okay. That's good. Perfect. And that'll be it for this video, everyone. Bye.